Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I am the CHAL and today Chall Chats Theme Parks. And as the title suggests, could Canada's Wonderland's next roller coaster be in the next few years? Now, we know there's no definitive proof that it will be in the next few years. However, there's a strong piece of evidence that suggests that it's going to happen. Now, then, before we get started with this video, make sure you do like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss another YouTube video. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for more and 500,000 views as well. So, within the last 24 hours, we've had some stuff around Cedar Fair possibly being in talks with a few roller coaster manufacturers about a new project for Canada's Wonderland, which is starting to make the rounds. So, all the information in this video comes from Screamscape. Thanks for sharing the videos whenever we do updates. Thank you very much. But we're now hearing through Screamscape that they may also be in talks with Zamperla about some kind of multi-launch project concept as well. Stay tuned, of course, because, of course, every information about every rumor, you have to take a pinch of salt with it. It isn't unusual for parks to ask various companies to submit proposals for them to console, new projects and consider when it comes to big new ride ideas and coaster layouts and attraction layouts, etc. So it isn't unusual. However, the rumor is Zamperla and B&M are being talked about as potential manufacturers for their next roller coaster project. So for those who don't know what we're talking about, this has all come from the guest survey last year, which I highlighted three coaster concepts. First one was a concert coaster. So live out your greatest rock star dream as you and your bandmates go backstage behind the velvet ropes, hop on a wing coaster car, and launch onto the concert flight filled stage for the ultimate thrilling, pulse-pounding rock experience. We also had the Eureka Ridge Ghost Town concept with an adventure and excitement awaiting visitors in the small Canadian frontier mining town of Eureka Ridge Ghost Town and its signature wooden family roller coaster. And of course, the other concept was the Blast Coaster, a strange, unexplainable force taking over the core of Wonder Mountain. Strap into your wing coaster car and prepare for an exhilarating high-speed launch that propels you through a cavernous subterranean tunnel and into the heart of the mountain. But we do have another story over the past few weeks that seems to link towards that area of the park being used, and that is big news for the removal and the retirement of one of their older attractions, and that is the Xtreme Skyflyer. After 26 years of thrilling guests, the Xtreme Skyflyer was retired and has been removed from Canada's Wonderland at the end of 2023. It gave a total of nearly 1.2 million riders by the end of last season. This was a sky coaster. It is an extra charge, or it was an extra charge attraction. And basically, this ride was your classic sky coaster. You'd be lifted up to the top, and then you'd be dropped. You'd be swaying on this extra charge attraction. Now, the Xtreme Skyflyer is conveniently linked in a designated location right near to where the Blast Coaster project could be happening. So the Xtreme Skyflyer is here, and this is via Google Earth and Google Maps. Shout out to you guys, of course. Good work over at Google. This was the location of the Xtreme Skyflyer. Now, you're probably thinking, how does that play in to the Blast Coaster concept? Well, if you think about it, you also look here, and here is what you could do potentially in terms of creating a layout. So you could use the Xtreme Skyflyer site and then incorporate the Wonder Mountains Guardian attraction in there as well. So there's a bit of grassland to work with. It creates a lovely new coaster over that area, and there's a really good opportunity there to do some wonderful elements in and around the area involved. So what are my thoughts then on everything we've touched on? Well, of course, we've gone through the concepts through the guest survey last year. We've talked about the site in question. We've talked about Xtreme Skyflyer now being retired, which could link to the site of the attraction. And again, it links back to the title of the video. Could Canada's Wonderland's next roller coaster be in the next few years, pretty much? That's what this whole video is around and about. Are we only a few years away or a couple of years away from the next roller coaster at Canada's Wonderland? And for me personally, I think we're not too far away. I really don't think we're too far away. And the reason why I don't think we're too far away is because of the signs that are pointing to the next major investment for the park. Obviously, Xtreme Skyflyer being retired. You could do a nice layout around the Wonder Mountains Guardian site, incorporate different bits of grassland along with the Xtreme Skyflyer site. And you could do a really nice wing coaster there. You could do different kinds of coasters there. Now, of course, Zamperla have released other concepts for their new roller coaster projects. And again, they could be good ideas as well. So of course, it's very, usual. It's not unusual to talk to different manufacturers about different concepts and different layouts, and start making conversations. It's not unusual in the industry to start doing that, and it's nothing major to talk about at this very stage. However, it's definitely something as part of the development in terms of including the stuff around Canada's Wonderland and the next roller coaster investment down the line into the story. I think it's very, very important as part of the story of their next coaster project. And I think that you've got a really good opportunity to create something majestic in the next couple of years. When do I see this happening? I see it happening potentially between 2026 and 2028. I think that's my kind of 3-year timeline prediction as to when I think this could happen or when it could open to the general public and the coaster enthusiasts worldwide. But Canada's Wonderland, I'm sure, will have some great projects up their sleeve, and I'm sure this is going to be one of them. But thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Big thank you to Screamscape and Canada's Wonderland for the pictures, the information in this video. Also, massive shout out to Google Earth for a couple of the maps images that we included via satellite. And also, thank you to you guys for watching this video as well. If you want to go and find the Screamscape article on Canada's Wonderland, you can find it in the description down below as well. And if you want to buy your tickets and passes ready for the new season at Canada's Wonderland in 2024, you can also follow that link also in the description. Thank you very much. I am the CHALL. Ta-ra for now.